Good morning, mindful travelers. I'm out on my bike ride. Let's see where we're going today. So divine to be with you today. Hey, check this out. I just found a church that was built back in 1877. How many years ago was that? I don't have enough fingers. All right, let's go. Hey guys, look what I just found now. I found a grove of pecan trees. You can see them behind me. Did you know the pecan tree is the state tree of Texas and it was adopted in 1910? The pecan tree is the largest in the species of hickory. It's in the walnut family. Pecan tree is native to North and Central America, and exports began before 1850 from Texas. So they amounted to around 1,500 from Galveston alone in 1850. By 1854, it was over 13,000. All right, I guess back on the road. Let's go. Hey guys, we're back in Divine. I wanted to drop by this historical marker before I headed home. So the old San Antonio Road, also known as El Camino Real, is one of the most storied routes in Texas history. It's one of the oldest and most significant trans-Texas routes. It's made up primarily of old Native American trails and Spanish expedition routes. When Spain first settled Texas, they would send up missionaries as well as soldiers up into the state of Texas, well, the present-day state of Texas, to basically assert their rule and establish presidios and missions along the way. So you can see the map up there on this marker that kind of signifies where those routes go. So I'll be covering that in my ebook that I've been talking about. I wrote about it in my first chapter yesterday about pre-colonial and European influence in San Antonio. So stay tuned for my live video later, and don't forget to travel mindfully.